So now we will write a program which reads a positive integer n, then calculates and shows the result of the expression. So this is our expression, and as usual I'm taking n from the user. So as you can see, we have to make the summation from I equals 1 up until I equal n of this expression over here. So we have to iterate over all the numbers starting from 1 up until n, and then we will keep adding this expression to a variable called sum. So let's start. Let's make our variable int sum equals 0, and now for int I equals 1, I less than or equal to n, then we will increment I. So in this for loop we will say sum plus equals, and now we have to write our expression. So we have I plus 3 divided by I squared minus 5, so I multiplied by I minus 5, and we will put a semicolon. So as you can see, I plus 3 divided by I squared minus 5. We are adding this expression to our sum for all values of I starting from 1 up until n. So this is our expression. So now let's outside of the loop printf %d and sum. So let's build and run this. Let's say our n is equal to 3, so we have minus 5. This is not correct. First of all, we are making a division over here. So in order to get an answer with decimal point, we have to store our answer in a variable of type double. So this sum should be a double. And over here we have to use the %lf. Now let's build and run this again. Let's enter the same number, 3, press enter, and as you can see, we still get minus 5. So this division over here divides this number by this number, and both of these numbers are integers. We do not have a double over here. Let's say I put 5.0 over here. Now build and run the program, put 3, enter, and as you can see, now we get minus 4.5, and this is the correct answer. So we should have at least one number over here a double, then this number over here will be automatically transformed into a double, and also this one, and then the division will give us a double answer. So another way to solve this, we already know casting. So let me cast the I plus 3 to be a double. So put parentheses, and now we put double. So I plus 3 will be converted to a double, so we will get a double answer. So let me build and run this, put 3, and as you can see we get the same result, minus 4.5. So let's now use the function pow that is inside the math.h header file. So over here I'm going to say pow, and I will give it I and 2. So this function will give me I squared. Let me remove this casting from over here, and as I said before, this pow function returns a double. So this division will give us a double. Let me build and run this program, put 3, and we also get minus 4.5. So I'll see you in the next exercise.